I got a new toy here at Old Car Alley. So if you watch my Instagram, you'll see I had a picture of part of it in Instagram. But anyway, here it is. It's a new Old Car Alley neon logo sign. It's actually LED. It's not neon, but it looks just like neon, and it has a little controller right here. And a little transformer I put behind my toolbox, and it is remote controlled, so you can set it like I can turn off in 5, 10, 30, or 60 if, like, you know, in the evening or something, or like at night if it's dark out and I don't want the total bright light. Got to point it towards the thing. I can turn the thing down, and I can turn it up a little at a time. Let me take the remote out of the bag, it'll work better. Now the remote works nice, it's out of the bag, but that's 10, 20, so on and so forth, you know, as you go up in brightness. That's 100%, and then you can make it blink, and you can change the speed of the blinking, which I'll probably never have it blink. And it has several different blinking modes. Hit another one. That one, if I gotta speed it up to a faster. So if you want it to look like burned out neon, I guess. The camera isn't picking it all up, but yeah, it has all different kinds of or just plain on, which is the way I'll have it. And probably when I'm out here like this, I'll have it set at 100% brightness. It's I'll have to I don't remember the name, but I'll get you the name. So if you want to look at them, I'll leave a link in the description of the website where you can get these. I did have to rearrange my wall a little bit. I moved that, was up over here, and the license plates that were there, I find a new place. And for my new members, may not realize these were all the plates I've had since I purchased the Bel Air, the '59 Chevy. I bought that car in March, I think March 12th, 1978, and I paid $75. That was the first set of plates I put on the car. And then in '79 they changed to a black and white plate, which went with the black and white paint scheme pretty well. And then they went to that hideous plate there that was just plain boring. And then I had a historic vehicle once it was 25 years old, and then eventually I put the '59 Michigan plates on it, which are registered as authentic. When I originally bought that, you couldn't register the original style plates yet, so that after they did that, that's when I did that and don't use that anymore. But there's all the plates for the Bel Air since I have owned it. And that's my ventilator you're hearing. That noise you hear is that just kind of vents out the garage when I've been painting, and you'll see that in a future video where I've been painting. Anyway, yeah, I love that. Love my new Old Car Alley logo. So again, you know, if you want to do up your man cave or garage or your hobby space, I'll leave a link in the description where you can order them. So again, if you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to subscribe to my channel, hit that 348 engine icon. And thank you for watching my video, even though it's short as heck.